Hi, welcome back with another video. First of all, thanks for watching our videos. Keep on supporting us. Today I am going to teach how to make an introduction video. This is the tutorial part of fourth video. I previously uploaded 3 other tutorial classes. Let's go for it. Open up Camtasia, then you can see your left hand side there is library. Click on it. There you can see there is introduction, icons, lower thirds, motion background. We can use this one for our videos. It look very cool. They made it professionally. Now we'll make introduction videos. First of all, first select whatever you want to transform. I am going to transfer this one first, line by first demonstrate. Now you can see this one. Just click select, then drag into timeline. Now you can see. Now we can open group. Okay, now you can see this one. Now we need to change headings. I put my company name. Whatever you want to put, you can put your project name, your company name, anything. It's up to you only. If you want to put your URL, you can put. Okay, you can see here properties. Here you can change your font, size, style. I will show you. If you want to make it on center, just go to alignment. Yeah, done this one. Now we'll play one more time. It's look pretty cool, right? Now we will take one more. I think we can take ripples. Okay. Then you can open group. Then move playheads. Then play. Here, if you want to change, you can change here. Okay, then you can change this one also. You can change here properties, you can change color, size, style, alignment. This is the super simple, free way to create introduction videos in Camtasia. Hope your people enjoyed my video. One more time, thanks for watching my videos.